Could I please do a medium butter pecan iced coffee? 2 shots of the butter pecan?
Yep.
Can you grab that? Pumpkin. I like shapes. I got a medium iced caramel mocha with cream and liquid sugar. That sounds good. I got a butter pecan. It is a little, it's like literally watery. My one yesterday was a little better, but I feel like I needed to give it a good little shake. Tasting the butter. How far are you from it? Like 5 minutes? Yeah. Is this your first time in a YouTube video? Yeah. Turn like close to 5. We'll talk them later. Bye. Stop it. Oh, on this side.
Blue dude, blue moon.
At the beach. Oil. This is really good for your brain, your bones. Like boosts your brain, I guess, like in the morning when you take it, and then like it also like energizes your body kind of like throughout the day. So I like to add this in some of my stuff. I can barely taste it, so I like to use that in smoothies or salads. And then I like to put honey in my salad for a little bit of a sweet kick.
Influences the way your face grows and how you look, and it's based on the tropic premise that the position and force of the tongue in your mouth has an impact on the way the facial bones grow, and it has an impact. Every time we swallow, it firmly presses on the upper palate.
to the video. I am just a Tuesday morning. Wait, no, Wednesday morning. I'm going to the gym. I don't know why my face is so pale. Going to the gym. I have a busy day today. It is like 8:30. I just woke up, had my morning juice, my green juice, and then journaled, read the Bible a little bit, and then had a little bit of oatmeal so that I am like sustained at the gym and that I'm not like, I don't know, just like struggling being so hungry. Then I usually come home after the gym and I will make like another breakfast and have a coffee, because I don't like to have coffee right first thing in the morning because it hurts my stomach. But I just took my ice roller that sometimes like makes noise, and sometimes I like to bring this with me in the car, just roll my face, especially if like I'm a little more puffy from like eating too much salt or anything. So I like to do that, but I'm on my way to the gym. Just wanted to say happy Wednesday. I'm gonna depuff my face. Okay. Good morning. I have makeup on because I just did, I actually just did a live with the High Value Woman event. I am currently just making a little matcha. It is Monday morning. I put a little maple syrup in my matcha in the morning, but I just did a live with the High Value Woman event team and Amanda DiNardo, who is a life coach, and she is actually one of my life coaches. I have a couple, but she's one of them. And I've been working with her now for a couple of years. Hold on, I just have to put this in the microwave. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about it for like 2 seconds because it was so cool. She had me do a live this morning. She asked me a couple days ago if we could set one up, and I just want to say thank you to anyone who requested me as a high value woman. I think that means so much to me. I also don't even think the glory goes to me, it goes to God. And like everything that's gone through in my life is all kind of like surfacing for good, and I mean it always has, but I just see that happening right now, and it makes me really grateful and really happy. And it also just gives me hope. It also gives me hope like to anyone watching, if you guys are going through a really hard time. And I just always think of myself back when I was in college and in high school, and like, not that I didn't have a fun time or a good time, like I did, but I just like struggled a lot with loneliness, and I just was like so sad when these people were being removed from my life. I was like not doing what I'm doing right now is what I'm trying to say. And so I know what it feels like when like you maybe feel like you can't get out of that, or you're so sad, and like maybe you're like going through that right now. Life can get better, and it will get better. Sometimes it just has to get worse before it gets better. Like if you even look at my YouTube channel a year or two, literally a year ago, I tore my ACL for the second time, and I like hated my life. I was so unhappy. I was so confused. I was mad at God. I was questioning everything. I was like, how is this possible? Why can't I play my senior year? Like, why do I have to go through this? I've already lost all my friends in college. Like, why? Oh, now this. Like, wow, everyone else is having like the best summer, and I have to lose like more time being able to play, do the sport that I love. Like, I mean, if you want to talk about going through hard things, like I know what that's like. So going through 2 ACL surgeries, like that was really hard. Also losing a lot of friends is really hard. Being a little bit of an outcast is really hard, but all these things are turning for good. They always have been. And I'm just trying to say, like, if you need a reminder that life can get better, it will, and you can always reach out to me. I think the reason that these things happen to me is so I can help you on the back of this screen with whatever you're going through. So that's a little bit of what I talked about. But if you guys want to see the live, I think she posted it so that you can watch it back. You know how you can like post that you watched, because or else you miss the live when you're on it. But if you guys want to go ahead and watch it, you can go to the High Value Woman Instagram. I can link it like right here, or I can put it in my bio in the description down below, and you guys can go check it out if you guys want to go check it out. Anyways, I am making a matcha. Just wanted to update you guys, but reach out to me if you need anything, if you want to text me or call